YouTube people. This is Bebop from Big Bob's Big Adventure. And so this week's big adventure was we went up to the Pigeon Forge Jeep Invasion. Had a good time, a lot of fun, my Jeeps. But you're crazy busy. I heard there was as many as 2,000 Jeeps at Leconte Center. I don't know how accurate that is. But what I do know is it's crazy busy. I waited in line for an hour on Thursday just to get in. But by Friday and Saturday, I learned the trick. The trick is you just go a little bit later in the day. Everybody who was in a rush has stole their line, gotten in. I didn't even see a line. But once you get in, you're going to be greeted by tons of different vendors, ranging from Jeep gear to food, local attractions, to overlanding. Whatever Jeep-related gear you want, you're probably going to find it. Other than a winch plate. I never found a winch plate. Or at least I never found a winch plate that wasn't attached to it. Still, like most of these events, my favorite things were visiting my favorite booths. Catch up with Daniel Hill of Outland Motorworks. I never quite get enough of his down-to-earth approach to rooftop tents. I'll probably have to visit his shop up in Johnson City, Tennessee, get a big Bonnie installed sometime this fall.
Yes, so this is a P-bomb. I'm sitting here over at the Outland Motorworks trailer. I'm sitting in Cattywampus. You see lots of room, soft. It's kind of nice being up here. Good view too.
Overall, though, I just struggle to pull the trigger on me. But then before I managed to leave, the wife called and said, "Hey, don't forget, it's your birthday." And she wanted a Scotty. So I had to head all right on back over to the X-Grid booth, another cool guy that I like talking to, and picked myself up an IKEA disco. So that's pretty cool, but I haven't gotten a chance to use it yet. After I got through, visiting all the booths, seeing, everything that's down there, buying some stuff, I had to go and see some of my favorite YouTubers. I managed to see Bill from Cotty Marple, and I saw Matt Brody from Simply Must Go.
Hey, YouTube people. So we got Matt Brody here from Simply Must Go. He has a real YouTube channel. How many subscribers do you have now?
We're about to hit 88,000.
88,000. I've got 300.
Sorry, 8800. I can't even think. It's too hot out. 8800.
8800.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
8800.
There's a good guy. Everybody subscribe to it. Simply must go. Thanks, guys.
Now, if you've been watching me at all with judging my views, you probably haven't. I talked to Connie Models. That's pretty cool. He probably thinks I'm self-human. No, but this is the first time I met Matt Brody. He's a cool dude. Really cool. I don't know, like the seat, the jeans. But he's cool. His wife is really cool. Real down to earth. Easy to talk to. You enjoy talking to Matt? Go watch Simply Let's Go. Go watch Connie Long too. You know, their viewers. A lot of folks know. Yeah, so I got all my YouTubers there. I call my group and really all that was left was to walk around the show and check out what the cool Jeeps were out there. Ultimately though, I mean, so look for my upcoming videos where I show where I 3-day Jeep event into a week-long overlanding trip. Had a good time. Saw some cool stuff. See you guys next episode.
Growing up, I was a weird kid. See, no matter what I ever did, all the normal guys would never quit poking fun at me. Mama tried to make me regular. She said the Lord above was testing her as I grew more and more peculiar, unashamedly. When people say that I'm a strange duck, I tell them maybe so, but so what? Sure, I'm a little different from you, but I don't really see the issue. So don't go frittering away your sympathy. There ain't nothing wrong with me. I consider it good luck that I was born a strange duck. When someone tries to make a wisecrack, well, they don't matter, I don't give a quack. Rolls on me like water off a duck's back. What you think about that? When people say that I'm a strange duck, I tell them maybe so, but so what? Sure, I'm a little different from you, but I don't really see the issue. So don't go frittering away your sympathy. There ain't nothing wrong with me. I consider it good luck that I was born a strange duck. A strange duck is a strange pond, another one out of 441. You can have yourself a strange brew, and just do what you wanna do, what you wanna do, what you wanna do. People say that I'm a strange duck, I tell them maybe so, but so what? Sure, I'm a little different from you, but I don't really see the issue. So don't go frittering away your sympathy. There ain't nothing wrong with me. I consider it good luck that I was born a strange duck. Yes, I consider it good luck that I was born a strange duck.